Good morning guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first open your phone gallery. Then select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to and click on edit. Now tap on add photo and you can either choose something from your gallery or take a photo. Let me pick something from the gallery. Now you can customize it, this picture obviously however you like. You can rotate it, you can zoom it in and out, like do whatever you want. And once it's done, just tap on save copy. Click on save then to apply the change. And that's it. You've just set a profile picture to your contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.